If you're having trouble switching which app handles magnet links, then this is how to change the default magnet link program, whether for Chrome, Firefox, or whatever browser you use. So let's say your torrent client is uTorrent, qBittorrent, Deluge, or anything else you've installed. First, find your new torrent client's location, right-click the shortcut and choose Properties. Copy the full path from the target field. Now right-click the Windows Start menu and choose Run. Type regedit and hit Enter to open the registry editor. Once you're in, look under Class's root and scroll down until you find the folder named Magnet. Or click any folder and press the M key on your keyboard. It'll jump straight to the first folder starting with M, which should be Magnet. Open that, then go into Shell, then Open, and then Command. Here you'll see an entry that controls what app is launched when a magnet link is opened. Double-click it to edit, and in Value Data, replace the old path, like one pointing to uTorrent, with the full path you copied earlier from your new torrent client. Also, remove the part at the end that says /SHELLASSOC. It's just a leftover from the old setup and doesn't need to be there. Click OK to save the change, then restart your browser. Now the next time you click a magnet link, it should offer to open it with your new torrent client.